What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back at it with another, am I on focus? Back here with another video, man. Today, y'all seen it was a shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades, man. And that is a big topic of discussion for today because me and a couple other YouTubers got a giveaway going on for the Cool Grade 4s, man. It's kind of like a back to school giveaway thing to give back to, you know what I'm saying, our supporters, the young ones. And hopefully a lot of people enter this giveaway, man. We're giving a free pair of Cool Grade 4s to whoever follows all the rules, and it'll be a random selection, man. So it's not gonna be like we bias who it is. We're not gonna just go click on one comment. We're gonna go run through the whole random comment picker thing, but all you gotta do is follow the rules. But we're gonna get to the rules after this little portion of this video. The main reason I wanna talk about these Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades is because I'm not sure if they're gonna be a GR. I don't know if they're gonna sell out. So this is my question to all of my subscribers, everybody that's tuning into this video right now. Do you guys think that the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades are going to sell out? But whoever wins this giveaway doesn't even have to worry about purchasing a pair of Cool Grade 4s. So we're going to try to schedule it around the same time they're released, just in case you did not win a giveaway and you want to go ahead and get on StockX, Go, or you might still find it in the stores. Like I said, I do not know if they're going to sell out, I don't know if they're going to sit. Because I know with some of these recent colorways, like these OG colorways, like the Infrared 6 is set for a little while. There's a whole bunch of Concord 11s I released. That's a stupid OG classic colorway. And I'm hearing that the Air Jordan 4 might sell out. I'm not for sure. This is my question to you guys. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about these Cool Grade 4s. And also, man, let me know if you hit. Your boy did not hit, man. I hit y'all with some clickbait. Actually, my boy, he got kicks hit on a pair of Cool Grade 4s, and I was like, damn, man, like I was on my phone and everything. I just didn't get the notification. My phone be weird with the notifications from J23 app, but there's a lot of people that hit on Cool Grade 4s. I already have a pair secured, so they will be here maybe end of this week or early next week, so I can give you guys our review on feet, and we're gonna be doing that giveaway for you guys. So with the details of that giveaway, man, it's simple. You already know how the giveaways are. It's 4 people in the giveaway. You guys subscribe to me, of course, SkipGoesHard, DaRetroWizKid, and SneakerAdditionz. You don't have to worry about searching them because I will link everybody in the description box below. So all you gotta do is click on their link and subscribe to their channel. Make sure your subscriptions are not private on your channel, so we can know if you subscribe to all 4 of us. You know, it's as simple as that. Just make sure your subscriptions are not private. Also, follow us all 4 on Instagram. Like I said, you don't have to go searching for us. All you gotta do is go on your phone, click the link in the bios for the Instagram portion, and just follow us on Instagram. Very, very easy. And when you are done doing those 2 things, all you have to do is comment under this video. And you know what I'm saying, the other YouTubers that's gonna do the giveaway as well, just comment under their video saying you're done, IG name, and put your sneaker size, because you can get the size that you want. If you want to get it for your son, you want to get it for your nephew, your niece, your daughter, whatever you want to do, you can do whatever you want with your size, whatever size you want. We're gonna hook you guys up with a free pair of Cool Grade 4s, man. And I'm happy to be giving it away back to my subscribers and everybody that's gonna be new to the channel, man. There's gonna be more giveaways coming soon. I'm trying to do or coordinate a giveaway going on with the Bread 11s, because I know that's one of my favorite colorways, and I have the original pair, but I want to get this high cut patent leather Air Jordan 11, and I want to give back to you guys around at Christmas time for us, so it's gonna be like a Christmas giveaway, you know what I'm saying? So it's not gonna be just a random giveaway. It's gonna be something based off of what's going on, like this back to school. You know, everybody can't afford those cool sneakers, you know what I'm saying? Go back to school. That was me back in the day. I didn't have all the dope sneakers. I didn't have all the J's, the Yeezys, and stuff I have now. But now I'm in a place where I can, you know what I'm saying, bless somebody else with a free pair of kicks, along with DaRetroWizKid, SkipGoesHard, and SneakerAdditionz, man. So make sure you follow the rules to the giveaway. I'm gonna run through them real quick again. Follow me on Instagram, follow DaRetroWizKid on Instagram, SkipGoesHard, and SneakerAdditionz. All the links will be in the description box below for their Instagram, and also on YouTube, of course, since it's based on YouTube. Subscribe to me, SkipGoesHard, DaRetroWizKid, and SneakerAdditionz. Like I said, you don't have to go searching for them. All you have to do is click their link in the description box below, man. With the Instagram, make sure your Instagram is not private, man. Make sure everybody can see who you follow and stuff like that. All we should do is just search all 4 of our names, and we should see if you follow us. We should go to your subscriptions and see if you subscribe to us on YouTube. Very simple rules. Hope a lot of people enter the giveaway. It's gonna be a nice giveaway for back to school, and I want that one lucky person to win a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades. Y'all know I did a giveaway with Unbreakable Kicks when we gave away a pair of black cement 3s. Y'all can go look it up. Y'all can go see what we gave back. Me and my boy Unbreakable Kicks did give those 3s away. We got the photos and all that to prove it. So if you want to take advantage of this giveaway to win a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades, follow the rules in the description box below, man. It's very, very simple. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to know who copped the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grades on this shock drop. Your boy didn't already got my pair secured. Let me know if you'll be going after this pair, and also let me know if you're gonna be going after this free pair on this giveaway, man. So follow the rules. You win a free pair of these Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays. Definitely gonna be in my top 10 pickers of 2019 just because it's a nice, cool gray. You know what I'm saying? The name got cool in it. So the cool grays is just, they gotta come to the collection. They definitely gonna be in the top 10, man. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like the video right now. Y'all know the goal for every video is 100 likes, man. So go ahead and slap that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. That's a part of giveaway rules. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, which is also a part of giveaway rules. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.